Welcome back to Algebra 1 exercise sessions, chapter 1.1. These exercises are on page 3, classroom exercises. Number 7, evaluate 3x for x equals to 12. We simply replace x with 12. And here there is a multiplication sign which is not written, times 12. And that will be 36. Number 10, 7 plus z. 7 plus z. Evaluate this for z equals 17. You simply replace z by 17 and you add. Number 13, x over 3 for x equals 18. Again, we replace x by 18 and we divide by 3, and that's 6. Number 16, minus 10a for a equals 2 over 5. Here we multiply minus 10 times 2 over 5. And that will be, we can cut actually 1 and 2, and that will be minus 4. We simply carry the sign in front of the number. If there is no sign in front of the number, if this was 10a, then the sign is positive. Written exercises, evaluate again. Number 5, a plus b. For a equals to 7 and b 13. So we replace a with 7 and b with 13, and the answer is 20. Number 7, c minus d. Here we are evaluating this expression for c 18 and b 3, and the answer is 15. Number 9, 3rs. Again, these three numbers will be multiplied by each other. For r equals to 2, so r is 2, and s is 7. Again, your calculator will give you the number. Here, number 11, a over b. And that is for a 52 and b 13, and that will be 4. Next, we are going to do some of these algebraic expressions. We will translate English into algebra. Number 13, the cost in dollars of y pounds of peaches at 89 cents per pound. So the price of 1 pound is 89, and I have y pounds. So the price of all these pounds will be 89 y in cents. Number 15, the total number of weeks y in x days. So I have x days. To find out how many weeks, I divide by 7, and that will be equal to the number y. Number 17, the number of sunny days, s, subtracted from 365. So that will be 365 minus s. Number 19, 2/3 of the number of girls, g. So that will be 2 over 3, g. Number 21, 3 more than the number of cars, c, in the parking lot. So c, and 3 more, that's c plus 3. Number 23, 3/4 of the number of c's, s, so that will be 3 over 4 times s. Now we do the red colored questions, which are usually harder than the rest. xy, evaluate xy for x equals 1 over 3 and y equals 2 and 1/4. We simply multiply these two numbers. Here you need to know how to multiply fractions. In this case, we make this improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8, add 1, 9, and now we can multiply. We can cut here by 3, and the answer will be 3/4. Number 47, C minus D. For C, 3/5 minus D is 1/4. Again, we need to know how to subtract fractions, and we have to make the same, these denominators the same. So the best way is to multiply up and down here by 4, and here the numerator by 5 and the denominator by 5. So that would be 12/20 minus 5/20, and that's 7/20. Now, at the end, number 51, a number x is 4 less than another number. Write an algebraic expression for the larger number. They're giving us a clue that the other number is larger. So I have x and 4. I can add or minus. The other number is larger. So it's going to be x plus 4. Since the other number is larger by 4. Then the second one, Jim's height, h, is twice Bill's height. So here Jim is the taller guy, and he's twice as much as Bill's height. And his height is h, so Bill will be h/2. 53, the number of dollars D in Carrie's bank is 1/3 the number of dollars in Jane's bank. These in the future, we are going to do them in a different way. This, for example, will be Jane. If we represent Jane's bank account by J, and 1/3 of it will be times 1/3, and that will be equal to D, Carrie's account. And then we will see that Jane is equal to 3D. But at this point, we already know that Jane is 3 times as much as Carrie's account, and so it is going to be 3D. The number of fans F is 18 more than the number of prayers. What is the number of prayers? The prayers are less than the number of fans. So if this is the number of fans and the prayers are 18 less, then we have F minus 18 is the number of players. With this, we come to the end of this session. We hope to see you again.